Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description. To begin, gather the necessary tools for this upgrade. You will need a Phillips numeral 0 screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, and a plastic spudger. Make sure you have a new DATOS SSD compatible with your HP Pavilion HB450. Before starting, ensure your laptop is powered off and unplugged. First, flip your laptop over and locate the screws securing the back panel. There are typically die screws to remove. Use your Phillips screwdriver to carefully unscrew each one, placing them in a safe location. Once all screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Be cautious not to damage any clips while doing this. With the back panel removed, you will see the internal components of your laptop. Locate the M2 SE slot, which is usually near the center of the motherboard. If there is an existing SSD, you will need to unscrew the mounting screw holding it in place. Remember to keep this screw safe, as you will need it for the new SSD. Now, gently pull the old SSD out of the slot at a slight angle. If you encounter any resistance, double-check that the mounting screw has been fully removed. Once the old SSD is out, take your new M2 SSD and align it with the slot. Insert it at the same angle as the previous one, ensuring it fits snugly. Next, press down on the SSD and secure it with the mounting screw you previously removed. Make sure it is firmly in place, as a loose connection can lead to performance issues. Now, it's time to clean the internal components. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust or debris from the fans and other areas. This will help maintain optimal airflow and cooling for your laptop. After cleaning, it's time to reattach the back panel. Align it carefully and press down until you hear the clip snap into place. Then, replace all the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tightened securely but not overly tight, as this can damage the casing. Before powering on your laptop, remember that if you don't have the tools or feel uncomfortable performing this upgrade, we offer professional diagnoses without obligation. Additionally, we provide pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transportation. No calls, no travel, just a simple, hassle-free service. Now, plug in your laptop and power it on. You may need to enter the BIOS to ensure the new SSD is recognized. To do this, press the appropriate key during startup, usually F10 or SC, depending on your model. Once in the BIOS, navigate to the storage section and confirm that your new SSD appears in the list. If everything looks good, exit the BIOS and boot into your operating system. You may need to format the new SSD before using it. To do this, go to Disk Management in Windows, find your new SSD, and follow the prompts to initialize and format it. Congratulations! You have successfully upgraded your HP Pavilion HB450 with a new M2 SSD. If you encounter any issues or prefer assistance, remember we offer a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. Enjoy the enhanced performance of your laptop. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description.